I'm going to show you how to make sausage without a machine. You need some of our seasoning, which you can get on Amazon. I'm going to make the Cumberland, which is a traditional English one. You need a pound of pork mince, 2 teaspoons of our seasoning, which you sprinkle onto the minced meat, minced pork, and then mix up until it becomes sticky. You'll see strands of protein coming out. When you've done that, you'll feel it sticky. When you've done that, get some breadcrumbs, about 10% in weight of breadcrumbs, and mix those in. And then get some cling film to make the sausage shapes. Lay the cling film on the counter. Put the sausage meat in there, and then wrap it up to make sausage shape, and then make it into links. You should get 6 links out of a pound of sausage meat. Link it up like that, and then steam the sausage for 10 minutes in a steamer. And when you've done that, allow them to cool, remove the cling, and then cook off in the normal way, either in the oven or in a pan, like that. Now, you can also make with this seasoning chicken nuggets. Just coat the meat in breadcrumbs to make nice chicken nuggets for the kids. We've got lots of different seasonings. The Cumberland one, other English ones include the Lincolnshire, which is with sage, and then Oxford is with sage, rosemary and thyme. Chorizo is a traditional Spanish with paprika and chili. It's a bit warmer. The Sicilian one is with fennel seed and chili and garlic, traditional rustic Italian. The chicken one for the kids is a nice, straightforward, simple seasoning. Lammergez, North African, a bit warmer. Boerewors is a rustic South African sausage, quite hot. Then the venison with juniper berries and thyme. The Scottish one is with is quite a rustic one. Swedish meatballs with dill. And then lastly, the American steak burger. So you can buy the seasonings. If you go to our store, Amazon store, you can buy the seasonings there online.